As the day comes to an end, your body begins a quiet process, a process most people never notice. After the age of 50, this process becomes more important than ever before. Nighttime is no longer just about rest. It becomes a window for repair, balance, and long-term health. Many people believe aging happens automatically with time, but in reality, how the body ages is strongly influenced by what happens during the hours you sleep. In this video, we will explore what happens inside the body at night after 50 and how simple, natural habits may help support healthier aging over time. This is not about strict rules or extreme routines. It is about understanding your body and working with it. As we grow older, the body does not stop repairing itself, but the process becomes slower and more sensitive to daily habits. Muscle tissue recovers more gradually. Joint lubrication decreases more quickly, and the brain becomes more dependent on deep, uninterrupted rest. At night, the nervous system naturally shifts into recovery mode. Hormones linked to tissue repair and memory processing become more active. However, stress, irregular sleep schedules, and constant stimulation can interfere with this process. This is why nighttime habits matter more after 50 than they did earlier in life. During sleep, the brain performs a quiet form of organization. Neural connections are strengthened, unnecessary signals are reduced, and information from the day is processed and stored. Research suggests that deep sleep supports cognitive clarity and long-term brain health. After 50, the brain becomes more sensitive to light exposure, stress hormones, and inconsistent sleep timing. This is why calm evenings often lead to clearer mornings. Supporting the brain at night does not require complex techniques. It begins by allowing the nervous system to slow down naturally. While you sleep, your joints and connective tissues depend on circulation to receive nutrients. Gentle movement earlier in the evening may help maintain flexibility by supporting blood flow. Long periods of inactivity during the day can lead to stiffness at night and discomfort in the morning. Hydration also plays a role. Adequate hydration supports circulation, which is essential for joint comfort and tissue health. These processes work quietly but consistently when supported by simple habits. The heart and the nervous system are closely connected. At night, heart rate and blood pressure naturally decrease, allowing the cardiovascular system to rest. Chronic stress can interfere with this process, keeping the body in a constant state of alertness. Creating a calm evening environment signals safety to the nervous system. This supports relaxation and allows the heart to function more efficiently during rest. Over time, these calm signals may help support overall cardiovascular well-being. Supporting your body at night does not require perfection. It requires consistency. First, reduce light exposure in the evening. Dimming lights and limiting screen time help signal the body that it is time to wind down. Second, include gentle movement earlier in the evening. Light stretching or a short walk may support circulation and joint comfort. Third, maintain steady hydration throughout the day. A small glass of water in the evening may support circulation without disrupting sleep. Fourth, aim for a consistent bedtime. The body responds well to routine, especially as we age. These small habits work together quietly, supporting the body's natural repair systems night after night. Consistency is one of the most overlooked factors in healthy aging. Many people focus on doing things perfectly, but the body responds better to what is done regularly. Small actions, repeated over time, create stronger signals inside the body than occasional big efforts. This is especially true after the age of 50. The nervous system, the heart, and the brain all adapt slowly. They respond best to predictable routines that feel safe and familiar. A calm night routine performed most evenings can be more supportive than an intense routine done only once in a while. The body does not need extremes, it needs rhythm. The nervous system plays a central role in how the body ages. It controls heart rate, digestion, muscle tension, and recovery. When the nervous system remains overstimulated, the body stays in a state of alertness. Over time, this can interfere with rest, repair, and balance. Calm evenings help signal the nervous system that it is safe to slow down. This shift supports deeper rest and more efficient recovery during sleep. Simple cues like dim lighting, quiet surroundings, and consistent timing help guide this process. These signals are subtle but powerful. Many people focus on mornings to improve their health, but in reality, mornings are shaped by what happens the night before. The quality of rest, hydration levels, and nervous system activity during the evening all influence how the body feels the next day. A calmer evening often leads to steadier energy, clearer thinking, and better movement in the morning. This connection becomes more noticeable with age. Supporting the body at night is not about control. It is about preparation. Healthy aging is not a race. It is a long conversation between your body and your daily habits. Progress happens quietly, often without immediate results. But over time, these small choices shape how the body feels, moves, and recovers. Approaching health with patience and awareness reduces stress and supports balance. This mindset itself can be supportive to long-term well-being. The body is constantly learning from repetition. When evenings are calm, predictable, and unhurried, the body begins to expect rest. Over time, this expectation changes how quickly the body relaxes at night. Muscle tension eases sooner. Breathing becomes slower and deeper. The mind settles more easily without effort. These changes do not happen in a single night. They happen gradually, as the body recognizes familiar signals of safety and rest. This is one reason why routines become more important with age. The body values what it can recognize. As we grow older, energy becomes more valuable. Complex routines can feel overwhelming and difficult to sustain. Simple habits, on the other hand, require less effort and less decision-making. This makes them easier to repeat, even on busy or tiring days. When habits feel manageable, they are more likely to become part of daily life. This consistency is what allows the body to adapt slowly and naturally. Health improves not through pressure, but through ease. Aging is often discussed in terms of loss, but aging is also a process of adjustment. The body changes, but it also adapts. Becoming aware of these changes allows you to respond thoughtfully instead of reactively. Nighttime offers a quiet moment to reconnect with the body without distraction. This awareness reduces unnecessary stress and supports balance over time. Approaching aging with understanding, rather than fear, creates a healthier relationship with the body. Caring for your health does not require dramatic changes. It begins with small decisions made consistently. A calmer evening, a steady routine, a willingness to listen to what your body needs. These choices, repeated night after night, can shape how you feel over the years ahead. Healthy aging is not about control. It is about cooperation with your body as it evolves. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. It helps support this content and allows us to continue sharing calm, practical insights for long-term health. Thank you for sharing this time and for choosing to support your health in a gentle, sustainable way.